why we believe that she is the perfect ambassadress for Hope Glow Super. For decades, glutathione, at least in the Philippines, has been typecast in the role of pampaputi. But being a PCOS warrior myself, I have experienced firsthand the benefits of glutathione beyond whitening. With Hope Glow Super, we wanted to change the narrative about glutathione. It truly is a multi-dimensional supplement. Our first celebrity endorser, likewise, had to be a multi-dimensional superwoman. You know, it's rare that we get to see so many facets of an artista, especially one that is so young. If we typecast her as just another pretty face, you'll be making a big mistake. Anyone who is paying attention will see that she is so much more than that. Beyond the roles she's played on screen, we've seen her blossom as an artist, as an entrepreneur, and a fashion icon. But more importantly, in the last month that I have gotten to know her, she is at her best as a friend, a sister, a partner, a daughter, and a mother. She has proven time and again that she has what it takes to keep glowing even brighter, no matter what comes her way, and that her beauty is more than skin deep. Beyond her physical beauty, this young woman radiates with passion and purpose. She is full of hope. As we embark on our 3rd year in the market, Luna Aura is proud to introduce our very first celebrity endorser, Sofia Andres.
Love really fuels me up. And hindi ako iiyak ha. Mawawala yung glow ko.
Hindi mawawala ang glow. Yun ang magic ng Hope Glow Super. Kahit umiyak ka pa dyan. You will still be glowing.
The love for my family talaga is always there. And I think nag-reflect sa followers ko. And I think they know that I really fight for what I have and for what I believe in. So I think that's my power.
So just not being anyone else but yourself, being your authentic self.
Yes.
What you see right now is also what you see on social media, diba? So yun nga, good role model ka, and that's what makes a person a good role model. Now, you once said this in Iyakan today, but could you tell us more about how you've grown on your journey and how would you define your purpose, Lalin?
My purpose in life is actually my family. I wake up in the morning knowing that we're complete. That's already my purpose. I feel like I could not ask for more.
Can I have a napkin, please? This has nag-escalate itong question na to real quick. Pakita talaga sa atin ni Sofia na kahit emotional na tong interview portion natin. Naka-glow pa rin siya. Super glow pa rin si Mommy dito sa harap.
Yeah. Along the journey, I realized that we cannot have everything. But now I feel like waking up in the morning and feeling that I'm so complete. You're also a mom. So even though hindi tuloy-tuloy my projects and everything, but still I'm given much blessings because I appreciate the blessings that's going my way. And I think that's the best feeling on earth, being a mom. That's the best feeling for me. And although it's slowing down my career, for me it's the best because I have time for my daughter, I have time with my family, and at the end of the day, family is all you have.
That is such a good mindset.
Why we love Sofia so much and why we chose her to be the first celebrity endorser of Hope Glow. Her realness, no? How raw and unfiltered she is, and how, it's rare to find people who still wear their hearts on their sleeves. Because now, especially with cancel culture, people always having an opinion about your life. You know, not everyone will agree with everything all the time. So it takes a special kind of person to stay true to themselves, lalo na if they're in public. No?
That's super right. And that mindset that you have, no, you don't compare yourself to other people. Yeah, that's something that we should all emulate. No? Next question na ba? Baka ano eh. Pati ako.
No, I think, well, okay, our audience today are people from the media. So they themselves are the eyes of our culture. And, you know, from the early days of Sophia's career until now, parang there's really been a shift, I think, of how beauty is defined. Gone are the days na beauty is naka-template. There's one kind of beautiful. This is the kind of beautiful everyone aspires to be that. No? And you might say, wow, that's rich coming from a glutathione brand. Well, it's true, no? Na parang these days, people have the freedom to express themselves on how they want to be perceived. And, you know, it's wonderful. Parang that's also why, I mean, kung mapapansin nyo, parang hindi namin pinili yung pinakamaputing artista. Di ba? Obviously.
True.
Yeah.
Ganda na natin.
Because for us, it didn't matter. It didn't matter. We wanted somebody who could truly exhibit beauty from the inside out. And I think we've made the right choice.
Ika, you wanna add on to this?
I want to add na, kasi when we launched Sophia as our first ever celebrity endorser, maraming comments sa TikTok na buti na lang hindi kayo kumuha ng maputi. First time na hindi maputi. Oo naman, and you always say na ever since, glutathione is not just for whitening. The benefits go beyond whitening. And si Sophia, she loves Hope Glow Super, because it gives her the glow, gives her the confidence, diba? And yung natin talaga. So,
yeah, so from the briefer, natutunan ko rin na hindi lang pampaputi talaga ang glutathione. As a geek myself, I love it when it said na it boosts your immunity system. Bilang the skin nga, diba, is the largest organ in the body. Yun talaga, diba, gusto natin na ma-boost yung immune system at ang ating skin ang exposed sa lahat ng mga free radicals tulad nga ng sabi ni Doc Jaja kanina. So thank you so much. We learned a lot. I learned a lot. Kasi ako dito, I'm the happiest.